Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm going to say this is going to be part two, but it's really not. Somebody watched this, a viewer subscriber, and gave me a great tip that I had no clue. And if you didn't watch this one, it's not all that. I mean, I don't know what all you could do with it except for have some wavy lines like a puzzle type deal. And it's kind of funny after he told me what he did, I had trouble getting overlapping lines. So we're going to go to effects and blend, and I'm going to blend them just 20 times. And, this time I didn't get any overlapping lines per se. So I did it on purpose. I took my inside part and flipped it. I'm going to flip it both ways. So it's completely upside down. Then I'm going to go and hit apply. And this is cool for making shapes, but see the overlapping lines? Well, all you have to do is go up to Object and hit Break Up, Blend Apart, or Control K. Then take it. I'm going to, you know what? I didn't never ungroup it when I played with this. And then go up to Simplify. And look at that. It got rid of overlapping lines. There's still some weird stuff going on, but it's well worth playing with because you could still, go through here since it's, if you wanted to clean things up and make this maybe perfect, but it's just cool. I had no clue that this did this. Let me try to, you know what? Let me just play real quick. Freehand tool. And I'm going to try to make an overlapping line. Whenever you do something like this, one, make sure your nodes are closed, and they're not. They're really hard to see when you're drawing because you're trying to go fast. And then I would strongly suggest filling that in so you have a complete and, everything's touching. And then I would start at least my first one with the smoothing tool and make it pretty smooth, because the more radical it is, the worse it's going to be. I'm going to Control D, holding down the Shift key to make it grow from the center. Now this time, I probably won't have any overlapping lines. But let's try to make it overlap somewhere. And see, that's just amazing. You would think, let's just do the same thing. Let's just turn it upside down wrongly, not mirror it. See, now we have a bunch of overlapping lines. I'm actually going to go Control K, which breaks it apart. I'm actually going to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup All, and try Simplify. Look at that. That would be very useful when you're making something like this. So I thank that subscriber or viewer for giving me that tip. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.